In the following tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to create a template for CMSimple, which is one of the content management systems you can use. Now, go to the DME website, and you'll find a little section in the lecture about content management systems, which are the required basic tags to use. You'll see that we have some tags that have to go in the head section, and then we have to have some tags that go in our body section as well. The big ones are echo head, which will show all of the heading information like meta tags and links to style sheets and everything else that we want. We need body PHP echo onload in order to make the editor work, otherwise it won't. Then we do PHP echo table of contents for our headings, menus. We can actually tell it only to do table of content 1 or 2 or 1 and 2, and we have table of content 3 as well. Then we have our edit menu and content, and then we can show newsbox, which is one of the things that I often do. So we're going to be editing a page that I have that I found a free template on free CSS templates and kind of making it work with this. Now I should point out that there are other things that you can use. This is the list from CMSimple, so you want to make sure that you go to CMSimple, changing the layout, and this section tells you about doing templates and everything else. So it's pretty easy though once you get started. So we know which ones that we're going to use. So we're going to go back to this, and I'm going to find the template that I downloaded, and I put it in the same folder with the templates for CMSimple, and it's called Anther. And you'll notice if you look at default, you have template and style sheet. So we need to make sure that we have the exact same names. So this will be template.htm, yes, and this will be style sheet.css. Now I'm going to go into this template and see what I need to change. Now the very first thing that I need to change is the head section. I need to put in my section, my content. So I'm going to do PHP echo head, and that will do all of that. Now I need body onload. Now I need to find out where I'm going to be, doing the table of contents. So my menu happens to be right here, so I'm going to replace all of that with echo table of contents. I need echo edit menu and content, and that's going to go within one of these post sections. So you'll see that we've replaced all of that with echo menu and content. This last thing is this sidebar, and I can actually replace all of that code if I want. So everything in the sidebar will actually be coming in from another sidebar. So I'm going to use this recent news, which is one of the things that I often use. So that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and save this page and close it. Go to my CMSimple, login, do test, go to settings, edit configuration, and change it to Anther as the site template. You'll see that it now is actually creating a template for the content management system with my particular page. So you'll see all the pages came in. If I go to normal mode, I have the welcome page, how to create pages, the H2 heading, H3 heading. Now you can see we have to tweak our CSS big time to make it work for the way our system is. But do you see how this H2 heading is showing up? Here's where we can change our template. If I go back to my template, I can do it either within the content management or without, or I can do it on the outside. I'm going to change this so that I am only echoing the top table of contents 1. So it's only doing the top links. Now you'll see that it's not going to show the H2 tags because those are subpages. So we'd have to create another menu there. But it's very easy to modify an existing template to use this content management system. The big trick is learning how to change your CSS to use the code that is output, because you want to look at your source and you'll see that here's where it's outputting that UL class menu level.